How to enable voice control on Insta360 X5. Now scroll down to your control panel. Swipe towards the left-hand side and tap on voice control. Turn on the toggle for voice control. Now you can choose a language for voice control first. Then you can see various voice commands. So for instance, I'm going to use this first command, that is take a photo. Let's go back. Now let's use our command. Take a photo. Now with that, you can see that you will successfully be able to use commands on Insta360 after you have turned on voice control. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.